Hello friends, you are most welcome in the Touch classes, and today we are going to learn what is the different types of the velocity. So as the different type of speed, there are four different type of the velocity. First is uniform velocity, second is variable velocity, and third is average velocity, and fourth is instantaneous velocity. So I suggest that please wrote down. I am telling the definitions of all these. So please wrote down. First is uniform velocity. What is the uniform velocity? So we will say that a body is said to be moving with uniform velocity if it covers equal displacement in equal interval of time. As before we have defined in the speed, same as here. There was a distance, but here distance is changed into the displacement. So what we will say that a body is said to be moving in with uniform velocity if it covers equal displacement in equal interval of times. However small this time interval may be. However small. And next thing is that variable velocity. This is nothing but only a simple definitions I will tell you. So what is the variable velocity? If a body is said to be moving with variable velocity, a body is said to be moving with a variable velocity. Please wrote down with me. As I told, please wrote down. A body is said to be moving with the variable velocity if either its speed changes or direction of motion changes or both changes with time. Means either its speed changes or its dimension of motion changes, or both of them will changes. Then its velocity will be known as the variable velocity. So I think you have got it. And next is the average velocity. So what is the average velocity? Average velocity is that for an object moving with variable velocity, for an object moving with variable velocity, average velocity is defined as the ratio of the total displacement to total time interval in which that displacement occurs. Means as for the speed, average speed was that total distance covered by the particle divided by total time taken. Same for the velocity. Average velocity is equal to total displacement covered by the particle divided by total time taken to cover that displacement. I think you have got it. Now last is instantaneous velocity. What is the instantaneous velocity? So the wrote down the velocity of an object at a particular instant of time. The velocity of an object at a particular instant of time or at a particular point of its path. The velocity of an object at a particular instant of time or at a particular point of its path is called its instantaneous velocity. So as we know that velocity is a vector quantity, so vector is equal to limit delta t tends to 0 a delta x vector divided by delta t. This is the displacement and this is the time. So is equal to dx vector divided by dt. Okay, thank you. Now theory has covered, and I am very excited that from the tomorrow or from the next video we are going to start up numericals on this topic, and you will see the numericals will be very simple, very tricky, and if you will do this type of numericals, then I definitely say that your any type of problem will not be, you will not be interrupted in any type of problem. So please do with me all these problems. So okay, best of luck, and ready with pen and copy. And I have already suggested this, you have to ready with pen and copy, because you have to wrote down everything which I have to told you. So from the next class we are going to start the numericals on this topic. Thank you, best of luck.